So, my grandparents were supposed to come down today, but they are not anymore. My grandma said she's sick, which, babe, me too. But I know she's not physically sick. I know that it is anxiety and depression. Shut the fuck up. And that makes me really, 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 really fucking upset, because not at her, but at mental illness. Fuck you! Fuck you! Why do you ruin good things? Well, okay, I'm gonna go make myself fucking food because I'm kind of sad. Wow, ignore how messy my fucking countertops probably are right now. I'm having a reset day on Sunday. It's gonna happen, don't worry. I wanna make a coffee. That's dirty, so. For context, my grandma went to the same school that I now go to. I am a proud student at her alma mater, and I haven't seen her down here yet. I know she misses it. Every time we talk, she'll always figure out a way to bring up OU or Athens or any part of her school or her sorority. Like, she loved it so much. And it makes me really upset that something that we all can't see is stopping her from getting back to what she did love at one point in her lifetime. What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. Oh, the genie lift is out. These motherfuckers will never not be genie lifting. If I could have somebody in my life that just like decides all my meals for me. Oh, there you go. Oh, sorry, girl. Like, I don't want pancakes. Like, I don't want pancakes. I never know the measurements on these shits, and I don't really fucking care. And whoever the fuck designed these boxes, girl, okay, so it started coming out the bottom. You're such a dick. Every day I wake up in fucking Ohio. I bought this pancake mix earlier this semester. It was during homecoming weekend. Big old partying time here in A-Town. I sat my ass at home. I had to clean my fucking sink because our garbage disposal had been leaking for like a few weeks. So I was knee deep in bleach. Not the passenger seat, unfortunately. I rewarded myself. I went to the Family Dollar across the street and I got myself some goddamn pancake mix because it was a long day. Okay. Ooh, do I have vanilla? Bitch. My mama used to add like vanilla to our pancakes and shit. She would also add like flaxseed. She was a granola mom. Give her a break. Aren't you like not supposed to like overmix like batters? Is that what I'm doing right now? You know what I should have been doing? I should have been preheating a fucking pan. What are you gonna do? Hello. Good morning. It's 1 p.m. All right. We're gonna do a little like caramely pumpkin spice action today, you know? And then a little baby bit salted caramel. This shit, unfortunately, like courses through my veins. She's gorgeous, glorious even. I would argue that coffee is like a ritual for me. I love like experimenting with like new flavors and shit. It's very important in my daily routine. Maybe I'm just addicted to caffeine, call it what you want. I think my relationship with YouTube has been a little scared since I've gotten to film school. I'm always in my head about aesthetics and style and making something with a point. But I don't think that that's the point of YouTube. I think you should do what the fuck you want. I think I've found a different side of the platform, but I don't think I've found my place in it yet. I think what also messed me up is I finally got a nice camera that I'm not even using. I use it every single week. Our freezer is broken and it won't fucking close. Anyways, I got it from my lovely grandfather for my birthday last year when I turned 20. It is still one of the best gifts I think I have ever received. I feel very, 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 very grateful to have that. I never ADHD. Woo! Where are my pots and pans? Okay, we got it. We're good. But I'm not using it right now because, well, my batteries in it were dead. I have other batteries, but I just got to thinking to myself, like, why am I reaching for such high production quality in a video that I am filming in my kitchen? And although it would be great, I think it would look beautiful. What's the, like, why? Perfectionism is a very ugly disease. As a creative, perfectionism is an ugly, ugly illness, and it sucks so bad. Because I'm constantly thinking, why would I put this out there if it's not perfect, if it's not aesthetically pleasing, if it's not to my taste, if it's not my style? Bitch, this is me. Like, that's not what YouTube is about. Like, it can be, but it's not what I need right now. Like, I just need to yap in my kitchen while I'm home alone and make coffee and pancakes. And maybe talk about my troubles or my current excursions or maybe my dilemmas or the, well, I'm not going to talk about the political climate of the world because I will have a heart attack. It's my little escape. This is my little time to just talk to myself, to talk to you. You know who I am. You know. If not, well, they're drilling into our roof right now. What is happening? Butter? Butter! Oh, here we go. Do you see that? I'm not crazy. Like, if I... Bitch. Good Lord, why? Why do you ever wonder why? Yes, Dominic Fake, I do wonder why. I wonder why you canceled at Lollapalooza. If you want to be really fucking honest right now, this is your time. I have another video that I just worked on that I actually submitted as my midterm for my experimental film class. I think this might be ready. It was not at all what I had planned, but again, I cut the ties with perfectionism and I just made what I felt was necessary in the moment. And it was kind of fucking awesome. Oh, I love this butter. I love butter. If you don't love butter, then see somebody about that. That fucking fruit fly was the largest, sorry, but like the largest motherfucker ever. And I have been after that bitch all morning. You little bitch. Wow. Yes. Guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Yes. Making beautiful things is not equated to the equipment that you have. And I also need people to remember that. And I need to remember that because Making something worth watching is not based on how beautiful it looks. It's based on the message that you're sending. Yes! Oh my god. Perfect! She's perfect. Making pancakes, making pancakes. Ba-na-na-na-na. Do you guys like your pancakes crispy? Like, not like burnt, but like you see. Wait. Wait. You know, like they're still bouncy, but they've got the. See, this is where pancakes get a little bit difficult. Now that the butter has been so warmed, it starts to brown. But if you wash it out, then like you have to wait for it to heat up again. See, there we go. I ran some cool water over it, and now it's just subtly melting. I take my pancake making very, very seriously, if you could not already tell. I think breakfast will always be my favorite fucking meal of the day. That's partially because coffee goes with it, but it's also just because I think I just love breakfast foods. People who just don't like breakfast, I'm fascinated because why? How could you not? Like, those are just happy little pancake clouds. I want to put one of those really dumb, like, butter cubes on top of it. Oh, that's a lot, but okay, you get the point. Like, equally as important as your perfect pancakes is having real fucking syrup. Okay? I don't want that high fructose corn syrup bullshit. No disrespect to Aunt Jemima. No disrespect to Mrs. Butterworth's. But this shit, it's real. Like, and it tastes significantly better. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and say pancake syrup, which is the fake shit, that pancake syrup isn't good. Because it is. It's sugar. Why wouldn't it be great? But just something about the maple, it brings it to its full potential. And it's hot, so it melts the butter with it. You're telling me you don't want that? Oh my goodness. Well, hi there, Angel Bear. Fuck it up, girl. Fuck it up. She's so photogenic. Oh my god. Oh my god. She has to know she's literally perfect, right? Oh, there it goes again. Oh, this is gonna be emotional for me. The butter is salty. Salted butter with pancakes until I die. Oh my god. I really hope this genie lift just passes right in front of my window and one of the maintenance men just witness me in these pancakes right now. I think I'm showing these pancakes a good time. This is where my mother would say, it's the little things. And it really, really is. Also, hate to break it to you guys, I am a pre-cutter. I have to pre-cut my food. Anyways, thank you, because I'm gonna do a little outro. I think that's all for today, really. That's all I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. I hope you... Somehow it got worse. I hope you guys are doing okay. Whoever this video finds. Go make yourself some food. Show your body a little love. Go cook what you're craving. Cook what you're craving. Come on. Cravings aren't evil. And with that, I'll see myself out. Well, I'll see you out. You know. Okay. Cheers.